Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JP from Unique Tutorials. Today I will discuss about what type of ROMs, that is MIUI ROMs, can be installed offline using System Updater app. Many users who are using the Xiaomi smartphones may or may not be well known that MIUI ROMs, that is the official ROMs, can also be updated using the System Updater app, either online or offlinely. But in these sections, many people they faces this kind of problems. As you can see, can't verify update. Though most of the users they claim that they have downloaded it from the official link, but why they're facing such kind of errors and showing that can't verify updates. So let me clear you why this kind of problem occurs. So first of thing, I want to make you clear that the ROMs which you can install offlinely using the System Updater app must be downloaded from either from the MIUI forum, which is now shut down by the Xiaomi company itself. So now you have to download it from the Mi Community application or from the Mi Community official websites. So let me show. Once you open the Mi Community app, you can see here features. So you can see here the MIUI written. Just tap on it. After you can tap on it, you can see here click to download. Just click on the above link. Now you can see here the various devices of the Xiaomi smartphones. Say I'm using a Redmi Note 8 Pro. So let's see what ROMs are available on the official website. So the available ROM that is released for the public for the Redmi Note 8 Pro users is version 10.4.4.0. This is the Indian version, just note it, it's written IN. So this is the Indian version and it's based on MIUI 10. So when we click on the developer option, so there is no more developer option as Xiaomi has shut down the developer beta for the global ROMs. So what I want to make you clear is that when you see this kind of ROMs and you can see a download full version, you can download it. This is a zip file. So after you download it on your smartphone, which will be saved in your file manager, this MIUI ROM will perfectly work without any error, and you can update your older version of MIUI ROMs depending upon your devices. So final conclusion, what I mean to say is that if you have downloaded this software or this MIUI ROM update from the Mi Community official websites, then it will definitely and 100% work without any errors. And if you have not downloaded such ROMs from the Mi Community official websites, then it may not work or it may show some errors. So I would make you clear that please download any MIUI ROM official ROMs from the Mi Community official website or from the Mi Community official apps provided by the Xiaomi itself. So I hope you have cleared your doubts regarding what type of MIUI ROMs can be installed offline using the System Updater app. So if you find it useful, please click on the like button. If you did not like, click on the thumbs down, and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.